momentarily while they break away, it can give you an opportunity to see the downfall of the two jumpers as they descend at a very increased rate of descent towards the ground. There is the breakaway. Look now as our three jumpers remaining will descend down and watch their arms because they are holding on to the risers directly above their left and right shoulders. This will allow them to direct their flight to the ground, controlling the parachute just like one would control an airplane. And now, our two jumpers in the down plane and just above the ground, they're going to break away and set up for a perfect leapfrog landing. Our fifth jumper directly above you. Now, they can hear you from the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause to your United States Navy parachute.